If your password is password123 or QWERTY, or even your dog's name, there's a very real chance it already exists in a hacker's word list. I'll show you what word lists are, where they are used with certain applications, and why strong passwords and password managers are no longer optional. A word list is simply a massive collection of passwords. Some contain millions, others billions of entries. Word lists are built from real data breaches, common patterns that people use, names and dates that are personal to you, and reused passwords across websites. Attackers don't guess randomly. They calculate what humans would actually use. Kali Linux comes preloaded with word lists, and one of the most famous is rocku.txt. You'll find it here in the /user/share/wordlists folder. Rocku contains over 14 million real passwords, leaked years ago, and shockingly, it still works today. Other word lists target short passwords, keyboard patterns, default router credentials, and home or business Wi-Fi passwords. If your password feels easy to remember, the chances are it's probably in a word list. Word lists are used in attacks such as brute force and dictionary attacks. This is trying known passwords against login pages, seen here in one of my previous videos using Hydra and a targeted word list. Search for Hydra on my channel to watch how it's done. Others are Wi-Fi attacks, capturing handshakes that are tested against word lists. Hash cracking, which uses stolen password hashes and are compared offline using tools like Hashcat. The last is default credential attacks, where you can just find the lists online of routers, cameras, and NAS devices, still shipping with weak default passwords. Here are pages on GitHub and another site. This is why password managers beat humans every time. A good password manager generates long, random passwords, uses 20 to 30 plus characters, never reuses passwords, and stores them securely. Remember, long beats complex every time. Even better, use passphrases that are only memorable to you. An example is horse battery staple 2026. As a warning, remember all the information displayed in this video is for knowledge and defense, so should never be used out on the public internet. Thanks for watching this video from G-Man. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.